They want you to be romantic with them. You just let them. With this high priced energy, boom. The result causing this person abandonment. You put all of them in their own head. They are totally interested in your life. Hi Leo. Welcome back to my channel to Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of January. Keep in mind that these readings are general. Saturday special, by the way. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may resonate with you, maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guideline from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this spread, this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your person's mind, what they're thinking, what their intentions towards you. Okay, Leo, let's get started. What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? What are the Leo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Leo? And we are having here the Hierophant, Knight of Cups, Four of Cups, Five of Pentacles. Okay, what are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Leo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Queen of Wands, High Priestess, Eight of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. Okay, what are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here Eight of Swords, the Justice. Okay, these are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Taurus with this Hierophant, Pisces with this High Priestess, Libra with this Justice, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Five of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Queen of Wands, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Four of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Eight of Swords, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Knight of Cups. Okay, Leo, let's get started with your person's feeling here. And your person is like flirty. They want you to be romantic with them because they want to marry you, but they think you are stubborn here and they feel miserable without you. You leave them. You just let them. Whatever they're doing, you just leave them on their own. This person is on their own. This person is alone. This person is miserable without you because you are not receiving anything from this person. They want you to comfort them, be humble with them, be polite with them, and be romantic with them. Too much to ask. Whatever they did to you, this is too much to ask. This is their expectations from you. And they are flirting with you, as well, just to get your attention and but they know that you are not taking this cup of flirt from this person and you are stubborn here. They can feel it, but they are trying, and they feel like that you are focused on your life. You are not paying attention, and this person feel ignored. This person feel ignored, and this person feel abandoned by you. They can feel it. You leave them. You just, and this, their desires towards you, just getting marriage and be with you, this is their desire. Like but this person feels so miserable without you. You leave them, and they are flirtatious towards you, and they want you to be romantic and be polite with them, and they know that you are not taking anything from this person. You are in a no mood, and this person want to marry with you, commitment towards you. They are like, try to connect to their inner self, try to connect their spiritual side, and they want a long-term commitment. They want you to offer them commitment and propose them, but they know that you are stubborn here. You leave them instead. You are not going to compromise over your self-respect, and you are not compromising over your self-respect, because Leo, you are full of attraction. There is charisma, there is charm in you. You are beauty, you are beauty with brain, and you are like High Priestess. Leo, with this High Priestess energy, boom, just like totally unaccepted from this person. This person is totally like, you are, the way you are reacting towards, you are not opening up, you are not giving any explanations. You know your value, you know your worth. You are like a high priestess for every one of them. You are not opening up. You are not giving any explanations. You are not talking to them. Yes, you are cut off everyone, every BS, whatever they from this person's side. And if this person feel like that, you leave them. Yes, you are closed off, cold toward all of their agenda and all of their opinions and whatever they throwing BS on you, you are completely closed off. Yes, you are not taking any four, you are not taking anything, and then the result is Five of Pentacles. Your Four of Pentacles, you are closed off. Your Four of Cups, you are not taking anything from this person. The result causing this person abandonment, loneliness, coldness, no warmth. This person feels so alone and cold, left alone by you. And you are working on yourself. Instead of wasting your energies on them, you are working on yourself. You are enhancing your glow, your charm, your charisma. You are working on yourself, and that's make you more attractive, more charming. And you are a high priestess here. After a very long time, I get a card, high priestess, in your chart, Leo. You are like, this is who you are, this is what should you do, and this will make you more attractive. You are working on it. Instead of giving explanations, talking to them, table talks, you closed off. You cut every BS. You cut them off. You are not even talking to any mutual, not of their relatives, not a mutual friends about this specific matter. You completely make them miserable and pathetic. They are the reason. They make you a high priestess, and you are working on it, and you are holding on this. In upcoming days, you figure it out how to deal with them. And with this Eight of Sword, yes, you cause them insecurity, anxiety, overthinking. Now it's their turn, all of them, to be worried and overthinking and tie up and stuck in their own mind. You put them on, all of them, in their own head. They are in the cage of their own thoughts. They are thinking about everything too much. They are taking pressure, even a little thing, even a little opinion. They're taking pressure. They feel pressurized. They are stuck in their own thoughts. They feel tied up. And yes, you demand justice, what you deserve. You demand justice. You demand what you deserve. And you are demanding here. You are like putting some kind of justice on them. You become like a justice card. This is your energies. You demand what you deserve. You stand up for yourself, and you are demanding justice from this person. If they talk to you, definitely this is how you give a look, like you are not going to take any BS. You want equality, equal give and take. If they try to ignore you, you so gonna ignore them back. If they try to mess up with you, you so gonna clean all the mess and not taking any BS from them. So let's see what else we have in upcoming future. What else we have for you, Leo? What else we have for Leo? And we are having here Seven of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. Wow, this Sun. And this person feel like that you are pushing this person away and standing up, all of them, all of them. You are not letting them to touch you, touch your thoughts, touch your soul, touch your body. You are not touch your thinkings, your thoughts, and your life. You are not going to take any interruption. They interrupt you, you are fighting against them, every one of them. They can feel it with the Seven of Wands. You are a warrior here. You are pushing all the odds and obstacles that causing you pain. There's no anxiety in your side, no depression in your side. You make them miserable in this situation, and you are like totally no mood. And yes, they can feel it, every one of them. This person feel it, like you are standing against them. And with this Wheel of Fortune, everything is in your favor. That's how things works. When you stand up for yourself, when you cut off all the BS, when you demand justice, when you just on your side, when ball is in your court and you are controlling it, you are not expressing, you are not so open up and make them you that's how you cage a person in their own thoughts. And that's how things work. Everything is in your favor by not opening up, being a high priestess, working on yourself, closed off, completely closed off. That's how everything is in your favor, and this strategy cause you happiness. Upcoming day, this is a major arcana, this justice, this high priestess, the way you are doing right now, you are doing great, Leo, right now. Whatever you strategy you make a plan toward them, this is causing you happiness. This is your like happiness. You are in your own energy, you are brightness, you are happiness. Now it's in your, finally, you, the sun card in your outcome, you create an outcome for yourself, and the outcome is sun. Now this card is in the right place because you take care of yourself. You are stop giving explanations, you are fighting against all the BS, all the things that are causing you depression, and you cage them, you put them in their own cage. They are putting you that cage where you are overthinking, you are in anxiety, you are in depression. You put them in that cage, and this is the outcome. Everything is in your favor, and you are happy, bright, glowing, and shining here. So let's see how to maintain this happiness, how to heal, how to meditate, how to deal with them, what else you should do. And we are having here the Fool, Page of Pentacles, the Emperor, Fool in reverse. They you totally, like, they want a fresh start, but reverse is a different thing. They are like enjoying, in past they are enjoying with you, the irritating you, being annoying, and being, touch your buttons that make you worried, and there is some kind of depression in you. They are enjoying it. Now it's backfire. This is on them now. This is they, as I told you, you put them in their own cage that they built for you. This is now backfire on them. And with this Page of Pentacles, yes, this is how keep everyone on their toes. You are keeping everyone on their toes. They are totally interested in your life, and they are not getting anything. They are not getting what they want from you, and you are just keeping them on one leg and keeping them on their toes with this Page of Pentacles. And with this Emperor card, yes, you, upcoming days, happiness in you, and you are controlling everything in a practical way. Like, you are the practical one, managing everything is under your control, everything is in your management. Be a management, be managed the way you are managing right now. Keep everyone on their toes, and backfire their strategies, and their manipulations, by fire on them with your practical ways, with your not opening up with them. Okay, let's see what your angel want to tell you in this situation, what your angel want to tell you in this situation. And we are having here, you are a light worker. God need you to shine your divine light and love like an angel upon the earth and all of its inhabitants. See, such a relevant and beautiful message for you, Leo. Let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Pray, work for your success, shine in your inner light. Say thanks. These are few advice messages in the end. If it helpful for you, you can support my channel. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.